This hog showed up on our place about a year ago with this growth on its side. And we could never see it in the daylight. We kept getting pictures of it. Well, finally, on this one afternoon, this past week, I was slipping back there after a rain, and sure enough, he was out there in the field. And I was looking to get a good shot on him. And what we show at the end is what was inside of this dang growth on this hog. Viewer discretion, man, it's pretty nasty. So I go back to the house and get my son, get him to help me load it up, and we drag it over in the edge of the woods and decide what else better to do than to shoot it with a shotgun and see what was inside that growth. And man, what happened next was crazy.
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.